How do you copy Excel tables to Word without breaking them? Imagine you have a detailed table in Excel and want to include it in your Word document without losing its shape or clarity. It sounds simple, but sometimes the formatting gets messed up or the table looks awkward. Today, I will show you how to copy your Excel tables into Word so they stay neat and professional. First, start by selecting the entire table or the range of cells you want to copy in Excel. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells or clicking the top left corner of the table. Once selected, right-click and choose Copy, or press Ctrl and the letter C on your keyboard. Now, go to your Word document and click where you want the table to appear. Paste the data by pressing Ctrl and the letter V. This is the easiest way, but sometimes the table might be too wide or not formatted the way you want. When you paste in Word, a small icon called the Paste Options button appears near your pasted table. Clicking on it gives you choices. If you want the table to look exactly like it did in Excel, pick Keep Source Formatting. If you want the table to match your Word document style, choose Use Destination Styles. To keep the data but remove all formatting, select Keep Text Only. You can also link the table to Excel so that if you change the data in Excel later, it updates in Word. To do this, choose Link and Keep Source Formatting or Link and Use Destination Styles. Linking is useful if your data changes often, but remember, the link only works if both files stay in the same location and are accessible. Sometimes your pasted table might be wider than the page. To fix this, click on the table and go to the Table Layout tab. Use the AutoFit options, especially AutoFit to Window, to make the table fit the width of your page. You can also manually drag the borders of columns to resize them. If the table still looks off, right-click on it and select Table Properties. Here, you can set a specific width for the entire table or individual columns, making sure it doesn't go beyond the margins. If you want to insert Excel data into an existing table in Word, be sure to select the same number of cells in Word as in Excel. Right-click the first cell where you want the data to start and choose Paste. This way, each Excel cell will go into the corresponding Word cell. If you only select one cell in Word, all the data will paste into that single cell, which usually isn't what you want. For more control, you can use Paste Special. Go to the Home tab, click the arrow under Paste, and select Paste Special. Choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object if you want to embed the table as an object. This allows you to double-click the table in Word to edit it in Excel. Any changes you make in Excel will update in Word if you keep the link active. A few tips to keep your tables looking sharp. Always preview how your table looks after pasting, then adjust the size and formatting as needed. Use AutoFit and manual resizing to make sure the table fits well on the page. If your data updates often, linking the table can save time. For complex layouts, sometimes it's easier to build the table directly in Word and copy data into individual cells. If your table is too wide, try AutoFit to Window or manually resize columns. If formatting gets lost, switch between paste options or reapply styles in Word. Make sure you paste into the correct number of cells to keep everything aligned. And if linked data isn't updating, check that the link is still active and the Excel file is accessible. By following these steps and understanding the different paste options, you can move your Excel tables into Word smoothly and keep your documents looking tidy. This makes your workflow between the two programs much easier and more efficient.